What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you haters
How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. Alright, today as you can see, I'm here with my boy Cold Wisdom 88. My boy A. We out here messing with the hedgehog again, you know what I'm saying? Today what we're gonna be doing is adding some of the alligators wheel protectors for the wheels, you know what I'm saying? He had a little mishap, so he had to get some new wheels. He's like, oh, I'm trying to prevent that, you know what I'm saying? Even though I don't know what happened, how that story happened, it probably was the same thing would happen. But he don't want to hit a curve and scratch up his new wheels. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to be adding these. He likes the red. So you went with the red ones. You could probably find these alligators. They might have their own website. You might be able to go to their website, Amazon, maybe eBay. A couple of different places you can get these from. You know what I'm saying? So quick install video. He's going to be doing most of the work. That's how we do it. You know what I'm saying? We got to let people work on their own bike because, you know what I'm saying, they need to learn. Or if they might not know. You know what I'm saying? They might want to be on YouTube. Just want to see themselves on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So basically how you install these is we're going to have to let all the air out of the tires. We're going to start it off at the cap. After we let the air off the tires, we're going to go around the tires. We're going to beat these in with a rubber mallet. You know what I'm saying? And cut them to size, fill them up, and then beat them a little bit more. Alright guys, so we're going to get right to it. So we're going to start off by letting the air out the tires. I don't got a valve, remember? So we're going to do it the old fashioned way and just press the button. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so guys, we're going to do all the tires at the one time. And so we're going to let all the air out all the tires. We'll probably just put you with a time lapse. Okay, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Alright, so your gator wraps, your gator guards are going to come in packs of 4. You're going to start with this side here with the hole first. And we're going to start with that side at the valve stem. So, and we're going to stick it inside between the tire and there. That's how you're supposed to do it. That's what it says. Hopefully we can do it on the bike because the video we seen, they did it on the car. So, well, no, that's not going to go in there. You see this? Bottom ledge got to go in there.
Bottom ledge, all right.
Yep. So what we seen them do it on the car, they stuffed it in there. We may have to take this off on the ground and push the tires back, get them to.
So this bottom ledge.
Let me help you. Let me start off with you.
The bottom ledge shit?
Yeah, the bottom lip. You just gotta push that shit like a fucking man. You gotta push it like a man when you're doing it, bro.
Yeah, I just wanted to see what I would actually have to push into.
This shit's gonna be hard. It's not gonna be easy, that's for sure. Just like that. There you go.
All right. So that's what we're pushing in.
Start at the top.
Right here? Like it's going in?
Yeah, keep going.
Here?
Yeah,
right
keep
here?
going. Yeah. A lot harder than that, I'm guessing. Let me see real quick. Let me just try it. Let me just try it real quick. Hold that back a little bit.
This one?
Yeah.
Is the leg going in?
Is this supposed to stay that far out though?
When you fill up the air,
Maybe I'll lock it in. Maybe as far as it goes, then put the air in like they said. Maybe, possibly, but keep going. Keep going with it then. We learn it as we go. So, all right, guys. So we learn it as we go. Like, you know what I'm saying? As we go, we learn it. So just like he learned, I'm learning. We've never done any of these before. I'm actually thinking about getting some of these for my bike in black. But yeah.
Down here.
That's not mine. Get that to mommy. Tell her that's stuff to lock the gate. Yeah, you want to cut it. All right. So now we got it all the way around. So now you want to cut it a little bit shorter than the piece that you're connecting it to. So to the end. Yeah. So we're gonna cut it like right here. All right, guys. So the other side, we did cut it and get it in there. We had to find something to cut it with because I had some scissors. You know what I'm saying? Like I had some scissors, didn't work out real good. So we ended up getting something to cut it. But we now on the back, we actually gonna show you us cutting it and putting it in. You know what I'm saying? So my man A right now is getting it started. He's starting at the valve stem. Saying he had to put some gloves on because pushing it in like a man actually hurt your hand. All right, guys. So what we had to do is the back tire was a little harder to get that get it started. So what we did is we removed the back tire and we're gonna do it on the ground. It's a lot easier like this. Just a lot easier. Just a lot easier. We want to leave it like this. The right way. So we're gonna just try to line her up and hammer her in there. Work our way down and around. You gotta hit it hard. You gotta hit it hard. In the video, they said hit it like it owes you money. That's what it said.
And it said you gotta hit on the outside. Right. I'm hitting it on. So I was hitting it on the inside. You gotta hit it on the outside. But it's kind of like the technique that I'm trying to use now. So I guess that's not what it's about.
You're gonna have to cut it, so let's get it knocked around one more time. We're gonna get it around, make sure one more time so it's all stretched out. So we got some wire cutters here. So what you want to do is you want to cut it a little, I think they said like an 1/8 inch shorter than the end of it. So, because once you get it around here, it's gonna go farther. So we're gonna cut it probably like right about. All right, so now when you're looking at this, what you want to do is when you're putting this end in, you want these little teeth to go underneath this teeth part right here. So, too long, gotta cut more. Yeah, gotta cut more. Now we're going back to Pound Town. Just gonna lock it in there. This side's in way more than this side. That's
right. This side over here is not even in. Where I'm at.
Where you
at? So you see how we beating on it pretty hard? They say in the video that we watched, you can watch a video from the manufacturer. beat it like it owes you money. I said it a couple times. It's a rubber mallet, and these are made to take hitting curves. So if you hit it with a rubber mallet and it breaks, you should return them.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so we're gonna finish the last one. We're gonna pull that one off. We're gonna finish the last one. We're gonna roll them outside and fill them up for you guys. So we'll see you guys outside. All right, guys. So we're outside at the car. We got the rims out here, so we're gonna fill them up with some air. On the car, it says fill it up to 15 pounds, then bang it in some more, and then after that, you're gonna fill up the rest of the way. The Ryker front tires is only 20 pounds, so we're gonna try to fill up to like 8, and then bang it in some more, and then fill it up the rest of the way. So, all right, so now we're gonna do a little bit more beating on this. Let's move this out the way for you guys to really hit it.
Use the trigger to stop. You hold it, it'll stop.
Way better than it did inside.
We put the caps on at the end, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you gotta get it to 20, you gotta put more air in it and bang it some more.
Yeah.
That's a lot of goddamn banging.
Some spots is low, but why, you think it's too much now?
I don't know. It says 14 on the car tire. That's a car tire. It's 32. This is 28.
But we didn't go as much as what the car tire was, right? On this?
We went 14. Yeah, we went 14. The car tire is 14. You want to go 14. All right, guys. So as you've seen outside before we put the air in there, when we put these in there, they were staying out about a decent amount of inch, probably like a ½ inch sticking out. And we're like, oh, I don't know. And we didn't know how it was going. So after you put half the air in there, so we put 7 pounds in the front and we put 10 pounds in the rear. And after you do that and you bang them down some more, they do go down and sit down nicely. So after we did that, we banged it around all the tires. We filled up the tires to the proper pressure, 20 in the front, 28 in the back. Then we banged it once again. And after we did that, they sat down just a little bit more. So now what we have to do is do the finishing touch, is which adding the little caps. Oh yeah? So, little caps, they have like a little pin on the back. If you look on the back here, it has a little tab. That tab is gonna go right into this hole right here. So my man A, what he gonna do is, he's gonna put 3 drops of glue on this, 1 on the tab, 1 in the middle, 1 on the other end, and he's just gonna stick these on here. And that's gonna lock everything down and get your look looking good, you know what I'm saying? Get that little cover looking nice. So they supply you with glue, which we're gonna be using. All right, guys, so I don't wanna say bad things about Gator Grips, but Gator guards, but this glue is not working. So we got some of this Gorilla. We're gonna use some of this Gorilla on there because their glue isn't working. This is what we got in hand right now.
All right.
So Gorilla is working. So we're gonna put 3 drops of Gorilla on there. There you have it, people. Finishing touch. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that. Maybe the outside with this other side from the clip, the pin, put a little extra on there. All right, guys, so as you see, we just put the clips on the ends and finished her up. That's basically it, yo. So, you know what I'm saying? I see my man Cold Wisdom 88, my man A, his bike's coming together nicely, yo. You know what I'm saying? He got me like, oh, I should get some Gator guards. If you guys like it, make sure you hit the thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? Thanks a lot. Hit the thanks, $2, you know what I'm saying? Throw $2 over our way. Thank you for showing us how to do this. KingJoffyJoe413.com. Get yourself some merch, brand new shirts out, you know what I'm saying? If you like me and you always chilling, Why not always be chilling? Just let people know, like you walk by, like yo, I'm chilling like always. You know what I'm saying? Like always, chilling like always. But until the next one, guys. Peace. Stick around to the end to see the last looks.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, shit is louder than here. The police right there. They heard that.
Thought that bird shit falling on me. I guess it was a rock. I was gonna keep going, but the police drove by me.
Seen them?
Yeah, they was right at me.
They heard your shit when you burn rubber. They heard that.